hope we're all having a nice day. Today we've got Archangel Gabriel, and there's a gift of passion, opportunity, and inspiration in the air. Also, angels and the butterfly spirit says transformation is beautiful. The parrot spirit says, wait, be patient, and watch your words. You could be hurting people with things you say, or they could turn it around to make what you said into something ugly. There is lots of transformation happening, and it is for the betterment of planet Earth and all life on planet Earth. We are renewing and rekindling relationships, which is very nice. And we've been given the strength. That's in abundance with love and guidance from the universe. There are improvements, and the magicians wants us to know we must hang in there and expect the unexpected. The opportunities come, ready or not. Take the opportunity and do the best you can. It will bring very good things into your life. The sun is shining on us, and there is a positive, beautiful energy in the air. This whole thing is coming forward, and we need to gain confidence and courage to move into our new timeline. Thank you, everybody, for listening.